The next technique we are going to look at is stippling, otherwise known as pointilism. This is done with little dots of paint. You can use anything. The end of your brush. I've got a skinny, pointy little brush here. You can use a Q-tip. You can use the back of your brush. Anything that you can make little dots. And a lot of this has to do with the amount of dots and how close together you put them. So that was just pure red. I put a lot and they're very close to each other. I'm going to get them a little bit further away here. And even further away here. Less. And then maybe only a couple. I've also pre-mixed my values here, so I've got 5 different values. I'm going to go in there with my white on this end and do lots of white dots. And my next one I'm going to do more of a pink. That was not looking very different, so I'm going to go ahead and add I'm going to go in with my darker pink here. Let's see, these two are still looking kind of the same, so I'm going to work on that some more. Alright, when I do the sphere, I'm going to start with a light and work to dark. It's easier to get darker, but it's harder to get lighter. I'm just using my increasingly darker values. I'm not blending them, I'm just letting the dots be. And that's my stippling or pointilism exercise.